Hey, good morning. Paul McMann here with Forex Smart Trade. It is Tuesday morning, 6:30 a.m., bright and early, and November 25th, 2025, a couple days before Thanksgiving. So let's take here at Forex Smart Trade, we help people trade profitably. We've got some methods that make trading simple but profitable. And my goal this morning is to show you one of our various trade strategies. The nice thing about it is how we recommend you start is that you just copy our trades in the beginning. You first need to get to a place where you see that it works, you're comfortable that it works, that you know that it works. We'll give you enough trades that you can make some money every day. And then if you want to expand beyond that, we'll teach you how to do it. So with that, let's get going. We first need to listen to this guy, and then we will take it from there.
Due to federal and state regulations, we are providing the following disclosure. Please stay tuned, as this will take less than a minute. Foreign exchange, futures, and cryptocurrency trading are highly risky, and you can lose all the money you invest should you decide to engage in live trading. We are not responsible for your investment, trading, or tax decisions. We are not licensed financial advisors, traders, accountants, stockbrokers, or attorneys. We are not licensed commodities brokers and do not engage in or facilitate commodities transactions. We are not an introducing broker, and we make no recommendation as to where you should invest or what broker you should trade with. As you apply what you learn, we recommend you seek advice from licensed professionals. Any trade results that we show should not be considered typical of our students. We do not and cannot track the results or performance of our students' private trading accounts. We do not know what a typical or average student earns or loses trading. This is not a get-rich-quick program, guaranteed system, or business opportunity. We sell training and trading tools. We make no promises our training or tools will generate future income for students, and you may not make your investment back, including your investment in this training. Any redistribution or recording of this material is strictly prohibited without advance written permission.
One of the great things about trading lets you work less, earn more, and have freedom. That's why I've been doing it 7 years. Company's been around for 17 plus years. Their tools are simple, accurate. And again, the way we suggest you start is just by copying the trades that we give out. I do 3 live trades a week. This one and also Thursday morning. There'll be no trade Thursday morning because of Thanksgiving. And Monday night. Last night we did not find a good trade setup, so we didn't take one. Every morning at 9:30, the company does a live trade and sends out a trade pattern alert. Every morning around 10:30. I take a look at the charts and send out a trade if I see one. I send a little video along with it so that you can kind of see how I figured it out. And every evening around 4:15, I also send out an overnight trade setup. Last night, overnight trade setup is still open. It was a buy on the pound yen. So we're going to take a look at that once we get going and see if we should keep it open or not. When I looked at it before, it was worth keeping open. When you become a member, we've got live trades every morning at 10, every evening at 6, and then lots of training. Anybody good at something has a coach, works with a coach, and practices. So we believe in that too for trading. I like to work off of a little checklist so I don't forget anything, because I find that as I get older, I do forget things. During the session, I generally don't take questions because I am just focused on trying to find a trade. But questions are important. That's how you get better. That's one of the things we excel in, and being able to give you counsel and guide you so that you can get to that next level. So you're not having to figure it out on your own. We have lots of experience. We've been doing it a while. We have seen most things and can kind of expedite your journey so that you're not having to recreate the wheel. We suggest you start with our alerts program, where we send out trade alerts, and then if you'd like to start getting a little training, we will do that, and then advance from there. Every Wednesday afternoon I do office hours. Every morning, the tools we use are in Green Chart. They're proprietary. Once you know how to use them, you can trade profitably. Good habit. Every day you need to review the trades that didn't go your way and try to figure out why. And it's that incremental learning that helps you get better. We have in our indicators, we've got a simulator that lets you go back to that specific moment in time and take a look at exactly what the chart was telling you. Also allows for back testing, so that as you learn trade setups, you can go through and practice and be absolutely confident what the net results are going to be, because you've seen it hundreds of times. We are technical traders. We are trading based on the price action. News impacts currency prices, so we want to know what news is happening so we can kind of trade around it. I like to look at what news is happening on Forex Factory. And come on, Forex Factory, what happened here? Had it all teed up before we started. Uh-oh. We'll wait one more minute. There we go. I don't know what's going on there. This morning at 8:30, we've got a lot of news on the USD retail sales. And I do not like to trade within a 2-hour window of the news event, so we will not trade the USD this morning. A little later tonight, consumer price index on the Australian dollar, and monetary policy on the New Zealand dollar. Any trade we take now will be closed well before this. So with that, let's take a look and see what we've got. We've got a dozen different strategies. When we train someone, we try to create a customized trade plan based around their availability to trade, and all right, sorry about that. We lost the internet connection there for a minute, but we are back. All right, so let's take a look. Let's see what we've got. Chart I'm trading off of this late 6 major. It's one of our standard charts. It's a composite chart. It's showing me 6 different currency pairs. These are all US based. Although we're not going to trade the dollar this morning, we will just take a look at the chart, see if we see a good setup. There are 3 sections to the chart. This trade basically tries to take advantage of the three different sections. They all measure something different. And when we can get agreement across all three, we've got a high probability trade. Red and green is the major indicator. This is something I pay close attention to. Black and gray is the minor indicator. A horizontal red line is the oversold line. A horizontal blue line is the overbought line. I am looking for situations where we are either oversold, say like here on the US dollar, and the lines are going up, and you can see the up candles, or if we are overbought and the lines are going down, and you can see the down candle, a little turn here, and then it kept going down. So here on the Australian dollar, US dollar, we're oversold, and the lines are going down. You know, can I make money on this? Yes, I can. But do I take this trade? No, I don't. It's not part of my trade strategy. I'd rather take less trades and have no losers than to take the extra risk of it turning around when it's oversold and starting to go up. So oversold, not for me. If I don't see what I like here, I don't need to look at the rest of the chart. Euro USD overbought. Lines are coming down. There are four things I'm looking for. One, that we're overbought. Two, all the lines are coming down. So it started overbought. Three, I've got what I call the double cross. So the red line is crossed over the green if it's coming down, and the black is crossed over the gray if it's coming down. I have that. And then four, what's the steepness of the green line? I want it to be greater than 45 degrees. It is. So I like everything here. I like that it's entered the channel. I will consider a trade so long as the green line hasn't gone more than halfway, and it has not. Then I would jump up here, count how many lines are supporting this. There are four lines, the two orange lines, thick orange and thin orange, the two blue lines, dotted blue and thick blue. Two orange lines are coming down, telling me sell. Two blue lines are going up, telling me sell. Blue is inverted, so when blue goes up, that means sell. So all four are telling me sell. Then I go to the pressure, and I want these lines either going down, or I want the red line on top. I got the green line going down a little bit. So I've got sideways pressure. Now, normally I might like take a look at this, but because we've got the news, because this is a very nice setup. Doesn't get much better than that. Over here on the dollar pound, you can see the red lines crossed over. So red's on top. This is a point. We get sideways pressure with red on top. So 4 points here. And we got 9 points here. So this is a good signal also. Dollar, Canadian dollar. To me, this is extended too much. Green line's too far past the halfway mark. So I would pass on this. Dollar, Swiss franc, we get disagreement between the majors and minors. Majors going up, minors coming down. Oversold, everybody's going up, double cross, good steepness. All four up here. Down pressure with green on top. So this is a good signal too. So, you know, we get several good signals here, but because it's USD, we've got news coming out within the next 2 hours. We're going to pass on it. So I've cloned it, this chart. We've got 6 more pairs. These are non-USD pairs. This is kind of interesting. It didn't quite touch the oversold. The green line did. We've got everybody going up, but we don't have good enough slope here. So we're going to pass. Oversold going down. We'll pass. Euro Canadian dollar. Overbought. Everybody's coming down. Double cross. Good steepness on the green line. Thick orange is coming down. Two blues going up. So I got 3 of the 4 lines here. Thin orange is going up. So he doesn't agree. But we got 3 out of 4, and that's what we want. Jump down to the pressure. We've got buy pressure, but the red has crossed over. So I've got 1 point, 4 points, 3 points for 8 points. Now I have a confirmation step. That confirmation step is to look at what's going on the 2 and the 4 hour charts. So that was, what was that, Euro Canadian? Euro Canadian dollar. And my confirmation is that I want to see both the 2 hour and the 4 hour overbought. They don't have to be going down, but I want them overbought, because when these are overbought, there's less of a chance of me getting stopped out. So Euro Canadian, I like this. Now, on some of the trades we have, it's got a predetermined take profit. So if you see the setup, it's worth 3 pips, 5 pips, 11 pips. Other trades, it is, you got to figure it out. And this is one of those trades where you've got to figure it out. So to figure it out, I want to look at a clean chart. So that was Euro Canadian dollar. So this is just the candle. So I am going to drop some support and resistance in here, because since I am trading on a 1 hour chart, I want to get in and get out quickly. So it kind of stops here, stops here, stops here, over here, over here, over here. And I don't really, I'm trading into an uptrend, it looks like. So let's move this over. And I want to know how much room I have between where I'm at and where the line is. So I'm 10 pips up and 6.7 pips back. All right, so some might even argue that the line is here. Which is 7 pips. I'm thinking about if it's worth taking for 7 pips. Let's see what else there is. We still have a little time left. Euro, Canadian dollar, sell for 7 pips. AUD, NZD, because of the time of day, it's evening in both of these markets. I want one of these to actively be trading, so we don't have that right now. Pound yen, we get disagreement. Actually, the signal has changed a little bit. we'll come to this right at the end. Euro, Australian dollar. Disagreement. Let's go on to the next group. Canadian dollar, yen. Everybody's going up, double cross. Good steepness on the green line. So we've got all four there. 2 yellows going up, 2 blues coming down. So we've got a support there. And we've got down pressure with green on top. So Canadian dollar. So let's do our confirmation. Only thing I don't like here is we get a little kink in the line going from more steep to less steep. So Canadian dollar, yen. Oversold. So I like both of that. And let's see what it's worth. I looked at this before we came on. So we've got about 25 up, 6 down. $15 pips. I like this one better than the other one. The Euro Canadian, because we've got some movement going up here that's within this channel. I want to trade within this channel. So I think we can go ahead and take a what is that? 15. We'll go ahead and take a 15 pip buy on the Canadian dollar yen. 15 pip buy on the Canadian dollar yen. So let's see if we've got that open. Canadian dollar yen. New order. We're going to do a lot size of 2. Market buy. Modify. 15 pips is 150 points. Click the little blue button. It does the math for me. So we'll use a 3-to-1, which is 45 pip stop loss, which is 450 points. Click the little red button. All right, so we took a buy on the for 15 pips with a take profit of 110.952 and a stop loss of 110.350. Let's go back. One of the things I said I wanted to take a look at was the pound yen. I think we go ahead and just close this out. This guy's coming down. This guy's coming down. This guy's coming down. This guy's coming down. So we're going to go ahead and go to this pound yen, and we're going to just take the loss on it. Close. That was the overnight trade. And I will do that in my live account in just a few minutes. So if you want to trade, find somebody who's good at it, get them to teach you. We will, I will. We are so confident we can get you to do this profitably. We will let you trade with our money. Have any questions, reach out. We're here to help. We will help. Trading's changed my life. Been doing it 7 years. It will change yours. All right. Have a terrific day. We'll see you in a bit.